Your kitchen, your way.
Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen Your Way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the easiest, most delicious shrimp fried rice. And I'm going to show you how I do it. Let's get to it. I always wanted to make Chinese food at home, and then I was inspired to make this dish, and it did not let me down. It was so delicious, so flavorful. It tasted better than some of the Chinese restaurants that I've eaten from. You will not be disappointed. We're gonna start off by marinating our shrimp. For that, we're gonna need some salt and black pepper, as well as some cooking wine. For our shrimp, I have some jumbo shrimp here. You can use some large shrimp, deveined and peeled. Next, for the rice, we're gonna need some chopped fresh carrots and some thawed green peas. Next, we need some oyster sauce and some sesame oil, as well as some butter and some salt with white pepper. If you do not have white pepper, black pepper is fine as well. I am going to use some low sodium soy sauce. If you want the full thing, you can use it, and some chicken stock. I am using some eggs, some chopped onion and garlic. This is the rice that I'm going to be using. It was in the fridge. The best kind of rice to make fried rice with is the rice from previous day. To marinate my shrimp, I will add in my salt and black pepper. As well, I'm going to add the cooking wine. I'm going to give this a good mix and put it aside for a few minutes. For the sauce for the rice, I'm going to add in my soy sauce. Add in some chicken stock, soy sauce, and last, my salt and white pepper. It's always a good idea to prep your sauce before you start to cook. For the rice, it gets clumpy when it's refrigerated, so we're gonna break it up. You can dip your hand in some water, and then you can break it up with your fingers. To start off, we're gonna put some oil in a hot pan. I don't have a wok, so I'm using a pan. And I'm gonna add in my marinated shrimp. I'm going to cook the shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. I'm flipping over my shrimp after it's been cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes. We don't want to overcook the shrimp. Remember guys, if you're enjoying my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now my shrimp's all done. I'm going to remove it from the heat. Now it's time to add some butter to my hot pan, and I'm going to start cooking my eggs. It's always a good idea to not overcook your eggs, so it'll only be cooking for a minute or so, or 2 minutes. Once the egg is formed, and then I just remove it from the heat. To the same pan, I will add in a little bit of cooking oil, and then I start to cook my carrots. The carrots are fresh, so I have to cook for a good 4 to 5 minutes until they're softened. Once my carrots is all nice and cooked, now it's time to cook the onions until they're softened as well. After that, I'm going to cook my garlic for 30 to 45 seconds. Once that's done, it's time to add in the rice. We're going to break up the rice a little bit more if there are any more clumps. And we're going to add in the peas. Going to mix that in. Now it's time to add the eggs. And then we add in the shrimp. I'm gonna work all of that ingredient in together. I'm going to add in the sauce. And now it's time to make sure everything is well coated with the sauce. I forgot to add this to the ingredient list, but you can add a green onion in there. It adds flavor as well as a garnish. And this is it. It was a delicious, quick lunch or dinner, and it came together so quickly. And you will not be disappointed. Give it a try. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. If you're enjoying my videos, hit that like and subscribe button below.